amazing and beautiful today on the 30th of June 2023. Shall we take 2 rides here? Or 3? 2 or 3 rides?
The 2 is enough.
Yeah, because we don't have enough time. And it's on Plankgatan 50 in Norrköping, Sweden. Östergötland. But I think the place before is not too far.
Yeah.
And it's built in 1981. The building dates back to 1902.
Yeah.
And it was added later in 1981. Capacity is 8 versus 6 playgrounds.
Inspected by Decorant, maintained by Kone.
Amazing sounds and smell.
Yeah.
It also has 2-speed leveling here.
Yeah.
So it's even better. It's also one of the best ones in Norrköping.
Yeah.
There is a Swedish finish also. And the silver here is H3622. Very interesting.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. I sit down and have a look at this beautiful staircase. Very beautiful. On the doors it says it was built 1902.
That's